Good morning, everyone. We are here for pre-market report 15 June. Let's see what's going to happen or what might happen today. So first to look after is FnO stocks banned today. That is India Bulls Housing Finance, IEX, India Cements, Delta Corp, BHEL, Manappuram Finance, ZEE. So these are all the stocks are being banned from SEBI today. So FnO stocks will be no more trading. So trading quantity might get reduced or volume might get reduced. So beware of your investments. And also equity, if you are going for a long, please wait until it gets settled or find out the fundamentals before making any positions. So if we look after this global Nifty and as well as the global index versus Nifty, so global equally positive and as well as negative, both are in equal position so far. So if we look after the positive, Nasdaq is positive, S&P 500 is positive, Nikkei is also positive. These three scenarios might not impact to Indian Nifty because the correlation is very less, maybe around 10% or 20%. So it might not impact much on this positive. And gold is positive. Gold is positive means it will directly impact. The correlation is almost around 70 to 80% to Nifty. So that means if gold is rises, Nifty might chances go for a down. So that's one negative. It might conclude towards negative itself. In that case, so negative itself is becoming 5 and positive is not much impacting. So that means market might look after the negative scenario or gap down scenario. So SGX Nifty is minus 20.5, DowJones is minus 232, crude oil is minus 84, USD INR is minus 0.27. So more or less like market is sentiment towards negative because of the global push. So let's see whether market will listen to global or will work individual reference. So if you look after that, Nifty 50 previous day closes 18,755, key resistance 18,937, key support at 18,573, Bank Nifty 43,988, Bank Nifty key resistance at 44,547, Bank Nifty key support at 43,429, and also SGX Nifty will get delisted by 30th June. Be prepared for it. So if we look after in Nifty index, so Nifty 50 has gained marginally 39.75, but today looking at the global negative, we don't know whether it might close flat or it might go down, and expiry day is there. Let's wait and watch. So Nifty Bank minus 91.585. Yesterday it has gained lower, and Nifty Finance minus 50.7, Nifty IT minus 44.25, and Nifty Auto is gained positive, and as well as Nifty FMCG has gained positive. So these are all the scenario. Yesterday Nifty Auto and as well as Nifty FMCG has gained a positive. So if we look after this Nifty glimpse, it is clearly taking a double bottom scenario. It has bounced back, and then yesterday it was a marginally doji as well. This doji is a rejection symbol or is it going for upward? Looking at the global push, might be a rejection symbol or looking like a hanging man. It might break this channel and come down to the down scenario or continue to be in the upward. Let's wait and watch. So Nifty glimpse, Bank Nifty glimpse, it is like a piercing pattern, bearish piercing. So market might take a downward or continue to be upward, taking a support and bounce back. Looking at the global push, there is no such positive scenario. So might take a negative. Let's wait and watch. So 15 June macroeconomic events, that is balance of trade, exports and imports, M3 money supply, that is today. So today we have this. What is balance of trade? It is the difference between a country's export and imports of goods. Whatever we export and whatever we import, that differences, we call it as a balance of trade. A positive balance of trade, also known as a trade surplus. If it is a positive, difference is positive, then it's a balance a trade surplus. If it is negative, then look after this. If the negative means if export declines, that means it's an inflation rises and also becomes trade deficit. And if export exceeds, that means country has a surplus trade or positive trade. So this is going to give a clear economy indication. If the trade export is positive, that means it's a good, or if trade export is declines or whatever, then there may be chances of inflation rises and also trade deficit also possibility. So let's wait what is that expectation from this forecast. They are forecasting import as 32.8 billion and the import as 50.2 billion, but consensus is like 36.62 and 54.13. Will it meet this number or will it just balance, try to be in that number, or try to match the inflation? Let's see what is going to happen after these results. So top stocks to watch for the day: Wipro buyback is tomorrow. So just have a watch on this detail. Axis Bank, global private equity firm Bain Capital is likely to sell a stake worth of $267 million in Axis Bank through block deals on Thursday. So there is a block deal happening for Axis Bank through the global private equity firm Bain Capital. So keep a watch on this. CDSL promoters sold partial stake in CDSL through open market transactions on Wednesday. So CDSL is in the news. So TCS and DCB is in a ex-dividend. DCB banks are ex-dividend. HCL and Google Cloud announced an expansion of their strategic partnership to help enterprises leverage general AL, artificial intelligence, and develop joint solutions. And lastly, HDFC Bank, important to note here, markets regulator SEBI is unlikely to give mutual funds waiver on investment caps post HDFC and HDFC Bank merger. So that means that this might set a negative impact to the HDFC Bank stock. Let's see what's going to react market. That's all for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment, and like our channel. Thank you so much.